Them only have some rule, I must say, man, what the fuck them be like? Bust it, man. Who the fuck is that in the back there, Troy? Who the fuck is that?
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Boy, something not bother me about Prince SWANNY and PREZI. And it dep on my blowout mind, so I want to talk about it. Prince SWANNY and PREZI, in my opinion, because straight off of the app, I know I beat up on PREZI all the time. But after I analyze certain things, I realize it's a Prince SWANNY, he is a little pum pum, straight up. And I now say PREZI is an angel. I now talk about when him do whatever. I go talk about the situation, in my opinion, between him and Prince SWANNY. And like me say, I know enough people are going to say, boy, countryman turn 6. I not turn no 6, but I have to be honest with myself. Because what I am doing, I am not doing it for entertainment. I'm doing it because I'm passionate about it. And I'm passionate about the Trinibad thing and the Trinibad movement and the music. So me I go give my 2 cents how me feel about this. This a bother me from long time and me need to talk about it. Now me do a video where me say Prince SWANNY fi give PREZI in props. And a lot of people say, boy, countryman turn 7. But from me, I analyze this thing and what people are telling me and from what I see, you know, PREZI play a big role into where Prince SWANNY is. You understand? Now, I talk to enough people about the situation, and some people have said this, some people have said that. Now, me here say Prince SWANNY get the money and him give PREZI a thing because PREZI ask him for it, and PREZI ask him for some more money, and that's why him cut. Now, if I that make him cut, that show said Prince SWANNY are definitely pussy. Me not care nobody want say. From me see how Prince SWANNY flex, him this the big man, him this PREZI. Now, this man might help him, that man might help him, but PREZI are the one who make Prince SWANNY there where him there. Him put on the chain on him neck, him use him gangster power and put him on different shows. I heard in an interview Johnny Bravo did with The Fix, said that PREZI had called him and said, listen, can you put SWANNY on Chin's show? And Johnny Bravo went and asked Chin, the boy where I keep the show, the soca show, and him say yeah, and SWANNY went up there, do him thing, the crowd real, and him finish, and that's where him career kinda started. But PREZI was right there. You see what I'm saying? I guess them say Rebel 6 was the crown king of the Trinibad dancehall movement. Them have a peace concert, not a concert, a peace negotiation, and him dead the next day. Them a say SWANNY do it to take over the music thing. But my thing is, Swanny, if the man help you, you for blood clot, show your respect, my youth, and show your appreciation. So even if you and PREZI a deal, still give the man when him forget, still deal with the man with respect. Now with that said, the war jump off and tons of man are dead. Anybody will represent that side here, them leak down. Anybody will represent that side there, them leak down. Swanny him now was Z-Tech fly out, and when him fly out and go America, I guess he must link Byron, Yogi B Messiah, and the youth there wanna look upon. So this brings me to my next thing. How him have so much people in a Trinidad, dog, we help him, you know. Help the youth here, you know, Swanny, you know, dog. And him go pick a man for him manager who is not Trinidadian, who don't have the affiliation, no help him or nothing. Me hear say the youth here come from Barbados, but he must have family at Trini. And you give a man the blind. After the rest of man them on the ground, you know. I work hard in a dog. And I try get you out there, you know the other man them want step up to and need the help and need the strength. And you run down New York, find new manager, find new artist, boss way, and left the man them for starve. You think the man them are gonna take that lightly? And you know the kind of man them you deal with, my youth? That's a wrong blood clot move you make. So, just from looking at this from the outside in, Prince Swanny is definitely disrespectful. From listening to him song them when him come out with now, he's not afraid either. And the next thing when I notice, he enjoys doing what he do. Pretty much them have a war, and them a fight it with dancehall reggae, and them a fight it with real gun. You see Waka done dead, and them have a next youth, two little youth get licked down, all sort of people get licked down, and it's all coming from this Prince Swanny and the issue going on here. You see the man them pissed off. You see the other day, me hear see them shoot up Prince Swanny car, and I'm bridging. I drive it, the one we're supposed to watch him head back, and him get shot in him hand. And 2 days later, I hear them kill 2 other youth. And think, me not advocate killing nobody. But if I did that happen to me, would I be blood clot pissed off? And yo, no telling what mood I do, yo. But me feel like you now go make me have a bad day. And a boy go home, go fuck pussy. And I live and I drink champagne and I yam caviar. That not work in a countryman book. And with PREZI, it seems like that not work in a book either. So, by me I analyze the whole thing, I kinda I look, you know, sympathetic towards PREZI. I not support the killing, I not support none of them things there. But me personally sympathetic to PREZI because I see what Prince Swanny is doing. I mean, he's doing it through the media, everything. Now remember, him did this 6 down 2. And when him fly out, I realize, listen, Tappy and them man there and PREZI them must shoot up him house, this, that, whatever. Him have Z take a go on. When him come back, him start link back 6 down them. And I guess 6 down them accept it. And, you know, that's pretty much what it is. Him kind of bounce around, fly around, bounce around, and until him, you know, him find what him a look for. Now, enough people say Swanny did have to step away because he might make power moves and shit like that. You understand? But you can make your power move, but the people them way in your corner and bring you from day one, you're supposed to respect them. Yo, you should have all a nice BMW or a nice car, wrap up and go deliver that to PREZI with all a 50 pack in it or a 100 pack. And I say, yo my lord, may I show my gratitude, you understand, for what you do for me. Like me say, you should have can able to speak from PREZI situation without thinking like, listen, 6 down them are gonna murder me. Cause if you're there around 6 down them and you big up PREZI, them shouldn't take it no way. You understand? If you say, alright now, you're linked with PREZI. But if everybody link, if you are Prince Swanny, and when you look upon Prince Swanny face, cause me I look upon him, you know, the man look, him have a conniving look in him face. You see that boy there, him have a conniving look in him face. So, you know, him face kinda really throw me off. But if all of them work together, 6 down, this a done, West Side, Ray, it would be a better movement. But because of the situation and Prince Swanny had this the man them, it's like the man them just get out of control, dog, and thing. So me am be sympathetic, I'm feeling sympathetic towards PREZI. And me don't know the man, but from what I see, the artists them a come around him. The man they help them, him do what him a do for them. Him a do him thing, everybody knows say yo, a gangster, and PREZI not take talk, and that's how it is. But you have to give the man him credits and give the man him respect. Swanny dropped the ball for all of him friends then and all of the people that might help him. I noticed him do it with Johnny Bravo, him do it with PREZI, him even do it with 6 down, and then him went back to 6 down. You understand? I guess in the Trinidad saying, me I go sum it up like this. Prince Swanny is stink and dirty. And that's the term them use in Trinidad. You know what me I talk about. Prince Swanny is stink and dirty. And, you know, I hope God bless him and him, you know, take him newfound wealth and put it to use. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully nothing happened to him. You know, but yeah. And I'm gonna talk about something, another video, about what happened to Tappy and Plumpy Boss. And that's coming from Prince Swanny, and it's real crazy. Anyways, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. But remember me tell you, Trinidad is like a minefield to Bumbleclad. I don't know how Johnny Bravo navigate this thing, but yeah, it's like a minefield. It's a ticking time bomb, real stink and dirty. Some of the people them, and you know, in the music thing, and that's how we see it. Especially SWANNY. I'm out.